Hey guys, so today is Glossybox Day. I've been waiting forever for this box and it kind of got lost in the post, I think. Should have been here over a week ago, but it is here, so let's get unboxing. So I'm just going to unbox it a little bit first, take out some of the ribbon and then let you guys have a look first and then we can get in. So, ready for a sneak peek? And there we go. So, this month is called Blossom. So that is, and then we've also got a sneak peek on the back too. It says, ready to embrace your wild side this May as we introduce you an array of beautiful products that make you feel fierce and free. And that is also my birthday month as well, so that sounds like a really cool box. It says, your first sneak peek is a gorgeous newly launched eyeshadow palette from Steve Laurent. I think that's how you say it. Boasts 9 stunning hues of matte and shimmery finishes that can make, you can use to create an array of fiery eye looks. So there's what it looks like. Looks really, really nice. Lots of browns in there. I do like a good nude. So I'm just going to grab a product and then we'll have a look and see what it says. So we have here an argan oil hair mask. Strengthens, restores and smooths dry, damaged hair. And it is a 50 gram / 50 ml thing. Let's just try and flatten it out so I can hold it a bit better. So let's have a look. So it is a full-size item and it is worth £2.49. You can get this from Superdrug. It just says, let your hair blossom a new life thanks to this deeply conditioning treatment. Whichever conditioner you receive, it looks like there's 5 different ones you could have had, so I'm quite chuffed with this one. You can be sure it is full of natural goodness to infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished, shiny hair. So it says, simply wet your hair, have it clean, and then stuck it on for 10 minutes. So I reckon I can probably get 2 or 3 uses out of this because there's quite a lot in there. Good start. Right, next one we'll go for this, which is Avant. I'm not quite sure. It is 50 ml and it is a gentle rose beautifying facial exfoliant. And this one is it's full size. And this must have been our sneak peek from last month that I completely forgot about. RRP, £92. Even my glasses are shook. 92 quid, 50 ml. Oh my god. Right, so it says gentle rose beautifying face exfoliant. This exfoliator's luscious formula and relaxing scent will smooth your skin and soothe your mind. Harnesses many benefits from hydrating antioxidant rose extract as well as a softening and smoothing vitamin B5. Together these ingredients will calm irritation, improve appearance of wrinkles, deeply hydrate your complexion, gently massage into clean skin and rinse with warm water. So, ooh, we have a seal. Do like it when things have a seal. So let's just get a little bit out on my hand. Not too much because that's probably just cost me £1. £92. That's ridiculously priced. So it does have scrubbies in it. Don't know if you can quite see them on my hand. Oh, you're not going to be able to. They're very, very fine. Very fine. And even though my hand is dry, it's not irritating my hand at all. This actually might be a good facial exfoliant. I would say it's £92. It should be. But it all depends for me on how rough the exfoliant is for damaging your skin. Obviously, if you even just scratch your face, you then have made micro tears, which I'm really conscious about. Never used to be able to use coffee scrubs and a lot, but I'm very, very conscious now on what I use. And this one feels pretty darn good. Right, next one is a Rituals, and this is a Deluxe Mini, and it is a Rituals of Sankara. Yeah, we'll pretend that I know exactly what I'm saying, and I can speak today. So this is a shower scrub. It's organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So we'll give this one a sniff in a minute. The boasting gorgeous cherry blossom scent is 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub. Is a treat for your body and your senses. Its luscious formula blends volcanic scrub particles and nourishing rice milk. Leave your skin soft and supple. So it just says use once a week. I do like Rituals. My favourite is, I can't even say the one, but it's the red one. My absolute favourite. But let's give this one a sniff and see what it's like. See how scrubby it is. It's for your body, so I don't mind it being a bit rougher. Ooh, I can already smell it and it already smells really good. So, yeah, they are. It feels quite a rough scrub, which is fine for the body. That should get some dead skin cells off. And all that smell is so light. So light. I'm at the moment now covered in scrubbies. So, right then, what else have we got? We have got 2 more products. Ooh. Right, so this is the Sport FX Rhubarb and Raspberry Recovery Lip Balm. Now, I will admit, I did have a quick look online. And I did see that we were getting the Sport FX. I tried not to look, because a lot of people had already got their boxes, and Glossybox kept putting out sneak peeks. I did see this one, and I was super, super chuffed, because I tried to buy it, and it was out of stock. So I'm quite chuffed. I do like Sport FX. They do a cool down coconut primer that is to die for. Right, so let's get into this. So this is $4.99, and it says these lip balms are not just bursting with shea butter, natural oils, and vitamin A. They are infused with SPF 15 to protect and hydrate and nourish your pout. So let's get it open. I do already have a tinted lip balm, which is a bit of a pain. So that is what it looks like in a little dome shape. Let's have a sniff. It smells really good. Just pop it as you kind of see. See, it's very, very lightly tinted. Put some on. Because you can never have enough lip balm. But yeah, it's very, very lightly tinted, which I do quite like a real light tint to my lip balms. I don't want anything heavy, but I want a bit of colour just to match my look. Let's rub that off now. But yes, and there's that. So it's $4.99, and you get that one from Sport FX. I love that product. And then the last item is a nail varnish from Nails Inc. And again, this is full size. The lip balm was full size. Everything was full size apart from the Ritual product, which was a Deluxe Mini. I didn't tell you the price of that one either, did I? The price of this one, because I forgot to tell you, which is the shower scrub. Deluxe Mini is £4.60 for 70ml. The full size of 150ml is £9.90. You can get that from rituals.com. Yeah, so I forgot about that one. So this is actually a really nice colour. Looks a bit darker than the pink I'm wearing now. So it says on it, be your incredible self with Nails Inc. So Blossom Kisses nail polish. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Blossom Kisses. Oh, that's quite a cute one. So this is welcome to spring, the soft pink nail varnish, nail polish. Delightful pastel hue with the cool, and that's why I like it. Cool undertones. I do like a cool undertone. Perfect on-trend hue within the new season. Better yet, this formula lasts up to 10 days. Wow. Never realised it's 10-day wear. Wide brush making it easy to achieve a professional looking manicure. Apply a base coat, then 2 coats of your Blossom Kisses and finish off with a top coat. RRP of this is £11. It says the RRP, or the price at the show, is for the full-size products when they first go on. Obviously things always go on sale. But yes, that is cute. So I do like the nail ink ones where you have to kind of like take off the lid to then undo it. Or do other people just undo it like that? Because I never can. But that's been sidetracked again. But yeah, so that was this month's box. It was a bit later than it should have been, and I was a bit grumpy about that, but this is still a really, really good box with a lot of value to it. I'm proper chuffed. So we got the nail varnish, which I'm going to take this off tonight. I think I'm going to put this on. Then we got the shower scrub, which feels gorgeous. Got that really expensive face scrub, which I think I'm going to end up falling in love with, and I'm going to need to take out a bank loan for. Then we had the Sport FX lip balm, which I'm going to balance. There we go. And we just had the Moroccan Argan Oil as well. So these are all the products that I got in my Glossy box. I'm proper chuffed. If you got a box, what box did you get? Did you get the same thing as me? I think I got variation number 2. But let me know down below what you thought of this box. And if you had a box, what you thought of it. What products you would have wanted instead. And then I'm now going to go and watch everyone else's boxes, because I do like to see what everyone else got. If you did like this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do try and post every week. At the moment, it's not happening the same, as I have got rid of one of my subscription boxes, got my pyjama subscription box. Look down there below if you want to have a look at that. I'm actually wearing the pyjamas now, because I'm lazy, but they are gorgeous. You get loads of goodies in there as well. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go now, because I'm blabbing. If you, like I said, do like this, don't forget to subscribe. I think it's down there, or down there. But don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!